Developing in Remix offers a rich set of tools that can sometimes overlap in functionality, creating a sense of ambiguity for newcomers. In today's episode, we'll explore Form and useFetcher, two similar APIs that could create that feeling. Starting with Form, it's simply a progressively enhanced HTML wrapper, useful for submissions that should also change the URL or otherwise add an entry to the browser history stack. On the other side, useFetcher is just like Form, except it doesn't cause navigation unless it's required. The primary criterion when choosing among these tools is whether the URL should change or not. As a tip, you could ask yourself, should the URL change? Let's see this in more detail. As considerations, we could say that URL change desired ensures that the user's browser history accurately reflects their journey through your application. This could imply creating records, deleting them, or anything related to navigating or transitioning between pages. On the other side, for actions that don't significantly change the context or primary content of the current view, we could say that no URL change is desired. This might include updating individual records from a list, deleting them, or minor data manipulations that don't warrant a new URL or page reload. To wrap up, Form simply reflects significant changes to the user's context or state. This requires the URL to change and can be used for creating or deleting records, navigating to a new page, and matches well with use action data and use navigation APIs, among others. On the other hand, useFetcher generally doesn't require a context switch for the user. This also implies that it doesn't require the URL to change and can be used for updating or deleting list records, loading data for popovers or modals, and it's super versatile, combining functionalities of the other APIs. As you can see, while some functionalities might seem to overlap, each tool has been crafted with specific scenarios in mind. Both are rich APIs. There is no overlapping between them, and understanding this will allow us to create intuitive, user-friendly web applications. This concludes today's episode, folks. If you enjoyed it, please consider supporting it with a like, as producing these animated videos takes a significant amount of time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.